So again, look underneath the speed limit sign. There's another sign, 2 signs actually, and really what it's saying is that there's a new set of traffic lights coming in here. And if you look over to the right, that's Franklin Way Crescent. There is precisely 14 houses on that street. So that goes against every single policy that the City of London has. But because it's a rich neighborhood, the city said, oh, you want me to jump? How high? That was it. And then to the left, you've got that new street with all the new rich houses in there, 1.5 to $2 million homes, newcomers to the City of London, and they don't want to, you know, offend them and step on toes, so put in a traffic light. The problem is that you're within not only eye shot, but you're within reaching distance of the traffic light that's over at Fanshawe and Wonderland Road. And the next problem is that the city does not have synchronized lights. So now it's going to be like, stop here at this roundabout, because you never had to stop before. It was only a 2-way stop. Now you have to, at minimum, slow down, and usually you have to stop. Today I'm quite fortunate, but we're going to stop there. We're going to stop at Franklin Way, then we're going to stop at Fanshawe and Wonderland, then we're going to stop at, I think it's Aldersbrook, and then we're going to stop at Black Acres, and then we're going to stop at Gainsborough. Christ, we haven't even made it to Oxford Street yet, and we've hit how many stoplights and traffic lights? I don't know why the city thinks that that's the solution to everything, but again, they'll put those sets of traffic lights in. There's a whole bunch down Pinnacle Way, all those new subdivisions down there, those rich neighborhoods. They put them in because the residents, they probably just mentioned it in passing, and then the city went ahead and did it. You can't tell me that traffic studies have proved that, because again, 14 houses on Franklin Way Crescent, and goes directly against the City of London's policy for traffic lights. So trying to figure that one out. Maybe somebody can explain it better to me, but seems they bend over backwards for the rich, but the common folk like you and I are left to petition and do all kinds of stuff just to get even half of what they've got.